What's up, guys? Today we're changing the brakes on a 2003 2500 HD. It's got that big boy 6.0 in it. I'm going to change the pads and the rotors on the front. Stay tuned. Alright, so you first want to jack it up safely. Get the tire off the ground. Might give it another go, honestly. Let's see. I can't find my handle anywhere, so I'm using a 10-inch extension. Okay, that should be good. Alright, I'll come back in a second. So what you want is a 22mm. These are just caps, so don't go crazy with them. I like to let the lug nuts fall back in here. Take this 10 out. This gives you some slack with the line for the caliper. And then since we're changing just the rotors, the brake pads are pretty new. They're really thick. We're just going to unhook it from the bracket. And we'll move the caliper and the bracket up here. And then we'll slide the rotor off. Alright, so what you want is a 10 and an extension and a ratchet that helps you get this off. You're gonna have to push this connector out of the way first. Get out of my shit. Alright, next is the caliper bolts. Alright, so what you want to do, take your guide pins out, be careful with them. Alright, so I gotta squeeze the piston in a little bit more. You just want to set this up here, like that. Just be mindful of the line, guys. Alright, so what you want to do? Motherfucker's heavy. You just want to chunk those hose, get the new ones, and slap them on. Sorry, got a little carried away. Put the new rotor on, putting the bracket on, putting the bolts back on. So. Alright, so now what we're going to do is torque it. If I remember right from my truck, it's 80 foot-pounds for these. The heavy-duty Chevys. even though I had the GMC, which is way better. And he really does need outer tie rods, ball joints. I don't know if you saw that. Yeah. Ball joints, pretty bad. They are not good, that's for sure. He's gonna wait about a week. He doesn't have quite the monies yet for it. So. Alright, now we're gonna put the brake pads back in, which if you didn't see, one of them fell and hit me in the face, which was quite funny, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. Let me make sure I didn't get that on the... Oh, that'd be bad, guys. You don't want to get... I don't understand why they put all the goop here. It goes on the guide rails, you know, the little guides. So whatever. Alright, the little squealer was getting in the way. This one goes on the outside, not the inside. Alright, so I'm going to put the caliper back on. Get the bolts ready to go in. Put it right here so I can reach it. Okay. How about now, son? Okay. Where's the other one? Good pin. And I believe that was a 21. No, that was the 18. I'll come back later. Alright, now we're going to torque the actual caliper bolts down. Alright, and well, that's the ball joint moving, but the caliper is loose right now because we got to press the brakes. But I'll do that after the other side, which I'm not going to show you. Same principle. See you later. Yeah, and you just put the tire back on, torque the lug nuts down. But that's basically it.